Hello guys, I will be using a pencil, a sharpie, or you can use any marker, an eraser to erase all the pencil marks, and I will be using Prismacolors as well. So we're going to use the yellow, the red, the brown, white, and black. Okay, so let's put those aside and let's start with our drawing. Alright, first thing you will have to do is get your pencil and create two circles. So the top one I'm going to make kind of like an oval, and then the bottom will be a circle. This is just for a guideline, right? And then after that we will make our shape of the head. So the side of the head, it has a little bit of a curve with two side, a flat side kinda. So you're making a curved square. Okay, and I'm gonna add more curve to the bottom for the cheek and erase so you guys can see. So it has a little bit more of a chunky part on the bottom than on the top. And then on the right side, we are just going to make it straight down. So we're going to make a curve on top, a straight line, and then a curve on the bottom. Okay, and on the bottom, we are going to make it a little bit more chunky as well. So we will do the same thing we did on the bottom left side. All right. Now we can finish the side of the body, and so Pikachu is kinda on his side, so you can see his little belly and you can see part of his back. So the side is going to be another curved line, and on the bottom we're going to make a wavy line where his feet come out. Alright, now for the top of the head, I'm gonna try to continue the line to connect to the other side, from the left side to the right side, and make the bottom feet. The bottom feet is gonna be, the left foot is gonna be pointing to the left, and we're gonna add little lines, and then I'm gonna try to make the same length on the right foot, and the foot is gonna go straight forward. Okay, once that is done, we're going to make the arms, and he has pretty chunky arms as well, so I am going to make long curved lines to make it look chunky. So Pikachu doesn't really have straight lines. He has all curvies. And then on his fingers, we're just going to put 5. And they're going to be like little wavy lines. And I kind of enclosed the circle a little bit more to see how where the face is. And then right on the middle of the little plus sign I made, we're going to make the nose. And then on the bottom of the sides, we're going to make the cheeks. We're going to make another line dividing the face in 4. And right on that line, we're going to make the eyes. I'm going to make them oval, but not too oval. Right here, I made them too oval that he's going to look happy. We want him to look surprised, so his eyes have to be more circular. And now his mouth, you either just draw a big circle, or the shape I made, which is kind of like a circle and kind of flat on one side. So if you can create that, that would be awesome. And then let's make his little lines off his back. So remember, he's kind of on his side, so you won't be able to see all of the line. So just create part of them. And then for the tail, you draw zigzags. And then the last zigzag is going to be big. And so just mess around with the lines till you believe that it has, the tail is good. So right here, I'm just going to try to make the bottom line a little bit, well, the top one, I'm going to make it a little bit wider so it can go with the flow. And then I'm just going to erase those lines that we don't need. Alright, now for the top of the head, we are going to add the ears now. Okay, so one ear is going to go to the left side and the other is going to go to the right side. So he has pretty long ears, thin and pointy, so we're going to try to recreate that and make sure his ears are the same length. And then add the little curve at the top for the black spot that he has. And then just go over with marker and add and color in the eyes, the nose. And right here, I'm gonna kind of add a little bit more of a curve of a circle shape on the eyes so he can look surprised. And color in the ears. And then keep going with the rest of the shape of the body. And then I like to add a little shade underneath the face. So we're going to color Pikachu with our Prismacolors. Now I'm going to use Prismacolors because I like to blend the colors, and I'm going to add shadows. So I'm going to color the ears yellow and then underneath add a little bit of black and then go over with our yellow and blend it in. Okay, now for the rest of the face, we're going to color it all. And once we have that, we're going to color the cheeks, and the cheeks are red. And so I don't have a pink, so I'm gonna color red and then go over with white. The marks and the part of the bottom part of the tail is brown. And then we're gonna color the rest of Pikachu yellow. Okay, we're going to sharpen our brown and make little lines. And then let's just add some shadows underneath the Pikachu on the feet. And then around the bottom of his face, around his arms, and underneath the tail zigzags. And then once we add the black, we're going to go over with our yellow to blend it in. So that's Pikachu. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. To see more videos of Pokemon, stay tuned because they will be coming soon. And if you want to see a video that I don't have in my channel, go ahead and comment down below for a request. Thank you.